Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you want more clarity, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. You can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Pisces, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. You can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader and I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Hermit, Nine of Wands and World in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are lost in thought, thinking about something important today. So you're making some important decision in your work maybe, or it may be in this relationship, and you are in a lot of stress, some kind of anxiety regarding something. So you need a plan for your future, a concrete plan, what you should do in future to avoid this kind of circumstance. So you're making plans, making an important choice. So it may be regarding your work situation, or it may be about this relationship, about this person you love. So maybe with this person you may see some conflicts, quarrels, misunderstanding, and you want a change. You want you want to see a change in your relationship. You cannot go on like this, and you feel stuck, unable to move this way or that way, because you don't know what to decide. Maybe you love this person, you may have a level of understanding with them, but the way things are going, maybe the arguments or quarrels, whatever you have in this connection, it is making you think and it is making you decide on something. You want to take that next step, maybe towards a break. You want a break from this person because of the way things are going between you both. You have a lot of troubles in this relationship. Things are not going as expected. And though you are trying really hard, you want to resolve this situation, you want this circumstance to change. But still, this person is not giving you the opportunity, or this person is not working with you, and they are opposed to you, they are opposing you, they are increasing the problems you have in this connection. So relationship is a work that must be done together. So if you want this relationship to work, efforts must be from both sides. So that is the reason this relationship may not work for you, Pisces. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Three of Swords in reverse. So maybe today the reason this person is behaving this way. This confusion, doubts, whatever it is. Maybe because they may have someone interesting them and not you. So, this person is seeing someone maybe, and there may be a third party involved, and that is the reason for this person's behavior. They are not making it easy for you. They are, creating a lot of negative circumstances. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card, Knight of Swords. So in your work, you are someone dedicated to your work. So you are rushing towards something. Maybe you want to do something immediately to make changes. But you may see a lot of resistance, a lot of competition. So the right thing to do today is, instead of rushing, you must take clear actions, clear steps towards success and prosperity. So you must think clearly. You must not go for impulsive decisions in your career, Pisces. So that is the reading with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card, Pisces, that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today. And there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow. And the troubles it can lift from you. And the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain, and this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you. And the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that that circumstance is not resolving, or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The day boy and the night girl. Balance. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance, because only then we will be becoming that whole person. So sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life. And there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about. And that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.